In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to extract vertical variogram parameters from the impedance well logs. To extract the B impedance logs from various wells in OpendTect, first you need to go to the Analysis tab, select the cross-plot data, and choose the well logs versus attribute. In the attribute well cross-plotting, you need to select all the wells that will be used for the data extraction, and also select the impedance log associated with these wells. The data will be extracted between the FS8 and FS4, and for the log resampling method we will choose take the nearest sample, and for the radius around the wells will be 0. Now I can go ahead and hit OK. In the well attribute data, highlight the impedance and click on this icon or compute the vertical variogram for the column, the impedance. And here's for the variogram parameters. So basically we have the maximum range, which is the maximum distance allowed between the burrs for the analysis, in addition to the step and the minimum number of the burrs per lab distance. So you can go ahead and hit OK. And for the variogram analysis window, we could do the analysis either for each individual well, but what we recommend here is to choose all the wells. So now you can go ahead and start modifying the cell and the range till you get a nice fit between the actual data and the variogram parameters. And also we recommend to use for the variogram model is the same when we use for the when we extract the horizontal variogram parameters. With this I conclude this exercise.